For day 9 of the 2023 LEGO Star Wars calendar, we have the HCVw A9 Turbo Tank. I'm just going to call this the A9 or the Turbo Tank from now on. The A9 was part of a line of wheeled armoured tanks manufactured by the Kuat drive yards. It was designed primarily as an infantry fighting vehicle meant to carry troops into battle and to protect them once deployed. The 10 wheels allowed the turbo tank to sustain considerable damage but still be manoeuvrable. Featuring lighter weaponry and armour than the other turbo tanks, the A9 compensated with its higher speed and a hull optimised for deflecting energy bolts. Structurally, it was divided into two sections, the large cargo area and a command deck. The cargo area could be configured to hold either troops or prisoners and was connected to the command deck by a flexible reinforced joint. It boasted a pair of forward turret-mounted blasters for anti-personnel use and dorsal rapid-fire rotary laser turret cannons for anti-aerial use. They were rarely deployed alone and instead played supporting roles in larger armoured formations alongside the Juggernauts, Walkers and other fast assault vehicles. One A9 was used to relocate Jyn Erso, an Imperial prisoner. En route, the turbo tank was ambushed and Jyn Erso was freed from captivity by rebel troopers from the extraction team Bravo. And so the search for the Death Star plans began. But that's a whole other story for a different day.